Hi, Callum here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Mai Tai. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. The Mai Tai was created in 1944 by a man who is widely considered to be one of the grandfathers of the Tiki Cocktail, Victor Jules Bergeron, otherwise known as Trader Vic. It is said that it was created for a couple of Tahitian friends when visiting him at his bar called Trader Vic's. He mixed up a bottle of Ray and Nephew, 17-year-old, with some curacao, some lime and some orgeat. And when he served it to one of his friends, she stated, "Mai Tai Roai," which means out of this world, the best. And thus, the name was born. Right, let's get into it. So there you have it, a Mai Tai. Cheers, or as they say in Tahiti, manuia.